Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an animated GIF using Canva. Let's get started. Animated GIFs are great to use for your social media accounts and marketing emails. GIFs are short-moving photos that are fun to view and attracts more people to engage. When you create your own animated GIF, you can establish a professional image with your brand. There are tons of GIFs you can find online that are available to download, but it will be best to create your own animated GIF that you can use for your business. In this lesson, we're going to use Canva to create our own animated GIF. If you haven't created your account yet, you can log in using your existing Google account, Facebook account, or your email. Once your account is created, you can start your first design. In the search bar, choose Animated Social Media. On this left menu, you can see the ready-made templates that you can use. Just browse these templates and choose a design. Your chosen design will be placed in the section. As you can see, it has a simple animation here. If you want to continue with this, replace the image with your own. On the left menus, click Uploads and upload an image using this button, or you can drag the photo here. Once your photo is uploaded, click the image and it will be placed here. Adjust and drag it to the image section, then edit the text. This will show how long the video will last. If you click this button, you can see the preview of the video, or download it using this button. Under the File Type drop-down menu, choose Animated GIF, then click Download. Now here's our downloaded GIF. Now let me show you how you can make an animated GIF from scratch. First, you need to have a Pro Canva account. Click Try Canva Pro. You can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. Let's go ahead and try it. Choose your preferred payment, if monthly or yearly, but you don't have to worry about paying anything. Just set your calendar as a reminder to cancel your Canva Pro on time, so your debit card, credit card, or PayPal will not be billed by Canva. Click Claim My Free Trial button. We have successfully switched our account to a Canva Pro. There are more features on the Pro version that the free version does not offer. So while we're on the trial version of Canva Pro, let's make the most out of it. You might discover that it could benefit your business. You may notice that once you're in the Pro version of Canva, you have an additional menu here. These are the added features on the Pro version. With creating animated GIFs, we need to use the Animation Pro feature. Let's create a new page. Click this button. Click the background menu to select from these available backgrounds that you can use, or you can upload your own. You can even search for photos from Pexels or Pixabay that is built in on Canva. I'm going to upload a logo, then place the logo in the position you prefer. Add another page, and place another photo here. Resize the photo and the logo. Now let's add a text. If you notice, these fonts with the crown icon can only be used for the Pro version. Let's remove the first page. I'm going to use the first page for a plain photo and a logo with the text. Click this button to add a text here. We can use the Elements menu to find shapes to add to our image. Let's add a square shape. Resize it and change our text colors to a darker shade. We can browse the Elements menu and look for anything that we can add to our photo. You have the options to include illustrations from social media, web and SEO, family and home, health, beauty and fashion, and more. On our second page, let's try to add some text. Click any of these options, then select a font. We have created 3 pages. Let's add another one. Add a text. Then choose a font. Click Add another subheading. Then change the color. Adjust the size of the text. And if you want to copy a text, just select the text and from your keyboard, press Ctrl D. You'll see a duplicate of your copied text here. Edit the text, and let's add a logo again. Review the created images per page. Check if you need to make some changes. And once you're done, click this button. Under File Type, choose Animation. As you can see here, there's a preview of the animation of our created photos. As you scroll down, you can choose an animation style that you can apply to your GIF. What you're seeing now is the fade animation style. If you click Pan, you'll see a preview per page. All the elements of your photo will have the same animation. Next, This is what block animation style looks like. It adds a white block to our text. Next, let's see the animation style rise. All the elements of our photo comes from the bottom and slides up. Next, this is the animation style breathe. The background zooms in and zooms out, while our images and text in the middle is static. Next, slide. This animation looks like a transition from a PowerPoint presentation. And lastly, the simple animation style. It just shows each page that we made. This is best if you want no other transitions other than showing every page that you made. Let's choose block. Then scroll down and change the file format. Choose Animated GIF. Now click Download. Animated GIFs or videos that you created in Canva may take a while for it to start downloading. Just wait for it and it will soon appear on your screen that it's starting to download. Now here's the file. You can see that the animated GIF is playing on the loop. That is how easy you can make your own animated GIF using Canva. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching. If you liked this video and it was helpful, don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notify bell to make sure you receive our fresh videos. If you have any questions, you may drop them in the comments text box and we will get you the answers. You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Feel free to check us out.